Are you still trying to find that artificial intelligence tool for your phone to edit videos, avatars, and personalized images of yourself, and you haven't found it yet? I have the solution for you all. Hey everyone, I'm Minute Peepo, and today we're bringing a new artificial intelligence tool to the channel called Viggle. In this case, it's available for both computer and mobile. What are we going to see in this tutorial? Well, we're going to look step by step at their website to see what they have and how we can use it. I've been looking around a bit, and honestly, out of all the videos I've uploaded, and you have quite a few on the channel about video generators, videos, images, and everything, this one seems like one of the best to me because, well, whether you use it on a computer or on a phone you can use it anywhere. At a bar's terrace, in class, at work, that typical meme you want to send to someone, you get an idea and you want to send it. Well, I think this is going to be very useful. Let's get to the video. Okay, we're here. I went straight to it because I wanted to test it with a dance I saw. Well, I'll put it on. For example, I chose the turtle one. Let's start over. You add a motion from the library they have. There are just so many. I picked a Ninja Turtle one. Oh, let's see. I'll change it now. I picked this one. But there are so many. Look, I can keep scrolling down. And it's really hard to decide which one to keep. But yeah, I'll go with this one's funny. The pineapple one, do you remember? Well, pineapple. But what I don't know is if I put a photo of 3 people, one is me, the one in the middle, and 2 friends, let's see, it says free and so on. Let's generate and see what it does for us. Okay, we have it here. It only cloned me, of course. That's normal, that it clones one character from one character, so it picked the one in the middle, which is me. And it did this. Well, it's not bad, honestly. It's even funny. Let's see. No, well, you can download it. Perfect. Sometimes you can make it, but they don't let you download it. In this case, yes, which I think is great. There it is in a larger size. Well, since I downloaded it, it expires in 7 days. But, well, I guess here, if I already have it on my computer, pineapple, it's cool, it's cool. Let's try to make another one, because this was funny to me. I like it. You can add emotion, not from my files, no, from theirs. Oh, what I haven't put in? No, you can sync it with, well, import from TikTok, library. This one, but of course, I need to have an image where I appear. I'm alone in this one, I think. Well, that one, open, well, only half of me showing. Let's see what I can do with this. Let's see if I can do it with this. Well, this one. Let's try it. Let's see what it's done for us. Before, I don't think it's playing the sound. I don't know if there was any. It looks a bit cut off here. There we go. Here. It's visible on the right side of the simulation. Well, not too bad. In the end, the AI itself recreated everything. Honestly, it's really cool. Okay, in this context, image. I want to try, for example, the photo I used before. I want the background to show and for us, as dedicated climbers, just to test it, and now we're in text to image. Let's see what we get. Free trial. Man, well this one is, wow, how cool is this? I really like this one, and I've tried it in other places, on other AI websites, and I haven't seen a result like the one we have here now. The usual. I'll take the photo, I'll send it to the group with my two buddies. I'm gonna send it, they're gonna love it, they're gonna flip out and say, "What the hell? Excuse my language. What is this? What did you send us? What did you send us?" The photo's really cool, honestly. Well, since I liked it so much, I think I'll do another one with some friends to play another joke on them. Look, I have a photo of us at the club, the four of us. It turned out great. And I'm gonna ask it to make us look like rock stars. What do you think? Let's see. Make it just as if it were in every possible way, exactly the same as it would be. Rock stars or Power Rangers? Rock stars, yeah. Let's see. Well, as if they were rock stars at a concert. The more details, the better. More or less, it almost always manages to correct the concert just a little bit, every time. Yeah, just like that. Let's create it. Well, I'm sending this photo right now. Look how cool it is. We look like real rock stars. It's just that it added the guitar, the dress with the ripped jeans, the boots, making the heavy metal sign like this, like a rocker. Honestly, it looks really cool. The image quality and what they can achieve by editing our photos. It's really worth it, to be honest. Well, other than that, the site is very intuitive, so you can already start messing around with all this. On the home page, we've been seeing what kind of animations there are that you can use as avatars if you want to create an anime character like this one, for example, pretending to be Captain Tsubasa. It's actually really cool. Remember down here? Wow, such childhood memories, Captain Tsubasa. Look, look, look. Look at the number of characters it has here. And videos. Oh man, Son Gohan. Holy cow. Look at what it does to Messi. Wait, the music is playing here. I really like this a lot. I mean, they've really pulled off what you'd call... Spider-Man, please help me. Now I'm really blown away, you know? Look at Cristiano Ronaldo here with the World Cup celebration, man. They're over the top. Holy cow! I'm gonna send this to a friend of mine from Madrid. Man, he was with Cristiano and hadn't told me. And finally, I recommend the avatar option for your broadcasts. This for whoever uses it, because often on YouTube, you follow someone playing Modern Warfare and you see them with a wolf face. And all that, you can have it here, this option, which is also very good. And that's it, guys. What did you think of the video? I really liked Viggle because it's very intuitive, it's very easy to use. It's a site that doesn't complicate your life at all. It has, for example, very basic and easy things for any user, so you don't need extensive knowledge to use it. So I think it's worth it for us. And with that, I'll say goodbye. Greetings to everyone. I'm Mini Pipple. Bye.